Hey guys, it's me, Heaven, and I'm here with
Anaya.
And today we'll be showing y'all our slime collection. So the first slime we have here is in a baggie.
Very, very sticky.
Not really.
I just got through playing with it. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I'm like, can you help? She's like, no.
We call this slime blueberry milkshake. And like we have like another big slime of this, but this is a more fluffier version. It's not really sticky now.
We'll wait for this one for the season finale.
So yeah.
Well, we actually are, but
next
I
slime.
want to present this one.
Okay.
The next
That's
slime
strawberry milk.
is strawberry milk.
It's jiggly slime.
Yeah.
And it's a little sticky, not really.
Okay.
Moving on to the next slime. I'll do that one. Okay, yeah. Next slime we have is a really jiggly slime, and I call it lipstick slime because like I use my lipstick in it and it literally looks like lipstick. But it's literally liquid. Okay, can you move on to the next one?
Yeah.
I got it stuck to me.
This one she wanted to represent, but she got trapped. This is the one that I always play with. This is strawberry. Okay.
And people think it's red because I used pink food coloring, but it showed up red on the thing. Don't ask me why. I don't know.
It is stretchy, but you have to do it in slow-mo.
Yeah, and the last slime we have for you
Ooh, y'all gonna be so
is big boy. Yeah.
bad boy right here.
I made this with a gallon of glue, and yes, I'm using my slime to get off my hands, so yeah. Oh no. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna call this yet, so comment below what I should call this, or we should call this.
Yeah.
Okay, so that will wrap up our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.